we're here to camp for the 3 days, 2 nights. So tonight, tomorrow night, and then we got our stove, cooler. It's like a bag that can keep the coolness of things. So like all the produce and stuff like that are in the cooler here, and then like beer, something that can be warm but preferably cold, are here. Other stuff. And then we're not allowed to use fireplace, but if we did, this would be the place for it. And then build our tent right here. It's like right there. And then I had don't do it. And then you would think like, is this your tent, Kate? I had this like the mat ever since I was like first year in elementary school. So this is like almost as old as me, kind of. But you can see like what is that face? The mouth is kind of funny. This looks like Ryan with that glasses. But we're gonna build it on top so we can have that as our like some kind of cushion for our back, so we don't feel, you know, too bad in the morning. And then there's like a thing here. There's an outlet here. There's an outlet here. And then water here, so you can actually use water here. But yeah, let's build a tent.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non chiudrai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Fra guerrieri può far bacco, gran bustacchi stretto sacco, schioppo in spalla, sciabla a fianco, collo dritto, muso franco, un gran casco, un gran turbante, molto onor, poco cantante, poco cantante, poco cantante. Ed invece del fandango una marcia per il fango, per montagne, per valloni, con le nevi e salioni, al concerto di tromboni, di bombarde e di cannoni, che le porre tutti i tuoni all'orecchio fan fischiar. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, non più avrai quel cappello, non più avrai quella chioma, non più avrai quell'aria brillante. Non più avrai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Cherubino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar, cherubino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar.
Is this the mermaid lake?
Yo, we out here living as nature intended.
It's so pretty. I like the watercolor. It's like the emerald. My camera's telling me it's out of battery. What? Get out of here.
I must protect the wild.
I must protect the wild.
I must protect the wild.
It's so pretty. Whoa, the trees just going all the way around.
Nature will rise against you.
We made it. This is where I come every day to take a shower. Obviously. Whoa, the water is so clean. Look at that. Look at the color. Color of the water is so pretty. How is that so pretty? How is that color? How can it be this pretty color? But look at freaking how fast it goes right now. I'm sure if I go in, I'll die. I'll be like, "Hey!"
Yeah, but don't worry, we have this log protecting us from the raging river.
Don't go. I think the log was not put there for you to not go in. I think it just fell off. Like, you can see the roots and everything. Damn, so nice. I wonder how people went up there. Where the rocks and everything.
It looks like there's another trail you can follow to go around the other side.
Yo, this is so cool.